Oh my god, that's funny shit, bro. All right.
Oh, I'm not done. And then I was so sick. I was coughing and sharting on myself.
Oh.
Yeah, like I couldn't even control my bowels, bro. Coughing and shitting on myself. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? I'm just like, yo, what is going on? And I told my dad. My dad called me, and I told my dad. He started dying too. He started laughing. I'm like, yo, is this nigga getting old? This like, my nigga? He just started
Yo,
laughing.
come on.
He's like, I see mijo.
Did you tell him about the toilet?
I don't remember. I don't think so. Nah.